How to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and now all what you have to do is click on the apps right here in the top. As you can see, it will take you to this page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is scroll, click on Telegram, click here on this force stop option, and now it will stop Telegram from running in on your phone. So the next step you want to do is click in the storage, click here on clear cache to clear all the cache. Now go back, click on this permissions option. Now here all what you have to do is make sure that all the permissions are enabled. That's it. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe.